me da so shebetes mu ye school kola ye teachers ye da so wo hama ye da so ye pillars since 2000
ubanya butera kaji ba ko mi o duba ambaza kawa
last school university oh god boy sayade boy sem play door mama try me say make you no fall say obi jimia make you no fall just do what you dey do and move on make more sika life is too short yame no say there we a legend Rawa bre obla for osi edem se me ni wushia o ma me ko heaven se wuchi mu ba kwa o ma me to 7
Yeah, we bother me that gota. As he come, I come over my jungle. I come the fuck kota. Yeah, come from the god of military mind. Soldier, I come bro for second tiny. Don't go KGP, give me drums. No see what all necessary. Fifi, I'm a quagga, yeah, my boga. So view my order. Rover, VRMGB, the new world order. I'll be lost to machinery. Why them afraid of me? Heavy artillery, all of them are scared of me. JD na me, Buzzer na me, Tiny na me, Okra bro for double cup sack. Add them back to back to back. Na me Blakes, MOB, na me hates never seen. I got double on the man, na me AP racks and racks and racks. Time I jam a man that could have the man. I put the sick I am a man. Mama, grata my yellow. Mama, grata my yellow. Special. Charlie, how much you make a get money? I did for you 1 king size of me.
ASEM, baby, I'm a fabia, yes, oh yeah, look at him. Girl, not show me some, show me then the cock up him. They say she like my muscle, she wonder if I the gym. They say if I be tired, she go fit be my ram. I get ringtones, pass more flip phones. And your chick's phone has got my pick on. Yeah, I yeah, the buyer, yeah, the hate. When I'm on the fire, and I'm with no shit. Me give me a slow-mo. Tiny, so was so ready just for promo. So I go fit flow mo. So I go fit flow child. The flow I need to sing a bell will pay about a cow. So Charlie, how Charlie? Yo Charlie, how you doing? The kiddies they feel me cause they see me ruin. They wanna be like me and be less like you. Hold the mic like me and maybe dress like you. Yeah, you're different versions. Yeah, you're different versions. Yeah, we're different versions. Yeah, you're different versions.
Where is your ringtone? I got my ringtone. I'm talking about a girl with colors like a rainbow. My girl is simple. Where is your ringtone? You know the name, right? I got my ringtone going like. My girl's an info, she going like. It's evident. See, I'm the remix president. See, I'm the king of the game, and the stage is my zone. It's my life. It's my home. The music's my wife. Yeah, I got a ringtone. Where's your ringtone? I got a girl whose booty's like Figaro. And I got you, girl. See, girl, don't have you screaming my name, 'cause baby, I'm a superstar. So I can love you from afar. 'Cause girl, I love the way you are. Yeah. So would you be my superstar? Yeah. You know the name, right? Where is your ringtone? I got my ringtone. I'm talking about a girl with colors like a rainbow. Simple. Where is your ringtone? That'll be my rainbow. Where is your ringtone? I got a ringtone. I'm talking about a girl with colors like a rainbow.
Michiano, Chano, what's up at Mecano, the Bueno, Afano, gonna rap in my pano,
My name's Tiny.
Miniano,
I am sexy.
Miniano, mi bienio nano, miano, it's some name say nano, super bro say hana no me am ho me am no obesi na the born so beach I want so beat home me pene me home me pene me home down me want kwa yere me home nyane man call me nia so call me never come on me yere no me I do be a brand ambulance there say them yank to an feel it yemu
Well, you just heard the man murder the music like that. You're just gonna stand there and watch.
Hello, I never know to walk about Joe. Come my judge, I will grab a toe. Charlie, murder. But I got a much I heard. Terra, go, you Terra. But I see me at the phone. I will block Terra. Please pay attention. Adam last to representing. The Madogo Japan, I'm introduction. Masakula Nitis, yo, but Joe, Jim, Vivina. Nafaka Fana, for Jonia with Tina. The more beginner on the new one on the senior. I'm a Madame Newaja, Dama Vitomica, Akaka, what's a G.
You better move, Charlie. You better move, Charlie. You better move,
didn't mama me quine and me bune jaw. What I send, I feel me no me quine and me be straw. All a killer baby and you be fool, I had on the law. Who you don't like, my wee in a me do with door. Mama le ole bokron, brother le ole shepon. We are moving on the farm, we are going to
so baby, let me be your cushion. Did y'all wanna relax it, baby? Let me do the pushing. Me cry me rocket, so baby, you can call me Houston. Push on ya, no more Jim Bitters and what you know about in and out. I'm going in and when I'm coming out, you gonna be screaming, oh, he out. Where your big boy flexing when it comes to sexing? I'll rock to the end of the night.
I got a secret, do you wanna hear it? You're always on my mind. Been telling my friends that I'm gonna hit it. Cause baby girl, you're fine. So when I get you, girl, we gon' be jumping. When I get you, girl, we gon' be humping. So when I get you, girl, we gon' be jumping. When I get you, girl, we gon' be humping till the end of the night. You know the name, right? You be coming right before you know it. You're messing with the pro, and you already know the name. I got a secret, do you wanna hear it? You're always on my mind. Been telling my friends that I'm gonna hit it. Cause baby girl, you're fine. So when I get you, girl.
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
So when I get you, girl, we gon' be jumping. When I get you, girl, we gon' be humping till the end of the night. 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 Baby, we'll be humping till the end of the night. See, baby, I hope that you're cool. Cause I'm not disrespecting you. Cause I ain't tryna kick everyday lines like these other guys. They just be telling you lies. I'ma keep it 100. Hit it from behind and make you scream something. I'll be going while you're coming. Baby, it's a secret.
Some in the wood, yeah, when I see I got 2 girls, see your friend of 4 like it. But won't be friend, I will make you
got the phone on me. Like a tsunami, but when you can't take it from me. Come when you're in your chummy. When you yaka aluna goti. My love on no chick. Get him. I go murder now we ink. I've got to check a day, my son. Play a man, the kill them, we the pine.
Show Charlie Radio, so I get tasty. We meet here, Papa, and Boston. Now, I FM 93.3.
You are just a nickel and a dime. In a little bit of time, you just go drop off the line. And this a race car, so we put them in the line. And they give it our time like Italian wine. I got the phone on me, I'm doing just fine. Them debaters and the raters, yeah, the pros are on the raters. But the hater, hear the baker. For the paper, you not sit here. If I'm across an acre, and me send them to the maker, them creator, fuck the hater. When a blood class shutter, yeah. Hey, you know they on my level. I told, you don't reach for the sky, yeah, they reach for the heavens. We gon' see him before. You are not on my level. Yeah, I told, you don't reach for the sky, yeah, they reach for the heavens.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
If you wanna get with me, baby, we could ride or die. If you wanna party with me, baby, we could slide. Then I would take you so open and me and no. Baby, give it to me. Hotgirl.com, won't you give it to me? Then I would take you so open and me and no. And to grab if I would have for me no more. For me no more. For me no more.
Go, girl, go.
Walk with me, cause you know say you're the cutest. After the club, baby girl, you are the sweetest. Whiny girl, cause the whole of them I want ya. Girl of the way you whine it. Anytime you want baby girl, and me alone, I said that. You got the shape, girl, you got the flex. Waist like a jet. All them
Have a blessed day.
You got it all, baby girl, you got it all. You got it all, got it all, got it all. You got it all, baby girl, you lock the place up. My baby, I want you to know say you're sexy. Girl, you sexy. Girl, you sexy. My baby, I want you to know say you're sexy.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Catch a girl that say ASCM. Me my yada no me feeling no said ya Nigeria ni feel your kadano. Send you was shada no mami chini na de dano. Debia be huna tade monon kwa wa shada dano. She walk like an African beauty queen and she talk like she's on an African TV screen. Motion a Sunni earrings, sending the pretty bangles. Make me wanna do things that I can't really handle. My mom a different perception about sex appeal. What's the way your mouth is? Or your sexy ill? How the sexy feel? And intimate son of moi, god damn it, a better sexy meal.
I want you to know say you're sexy. You're sexy.
right, so some couple of years back, Crank Music was all over GH and was making waves on the radio stations and also televisions as well. That's right, so music of Madfish and ASEM, and of course this one's sexy. And I can't remember, I used to say, so back in the days, Asem, and I still stand on my waist. Asem was the only rapper from Accra who was challenging rappers from TEMA. I mean, the likes of Daddy Opanka, Yao Pono, Stage A, Kofi Korea, G-Crime. I mean, a lot of artists, rappers precisely from Tema. And Asem was the only rapper from Accra who took on the baton and was making things. And I was saying, Charlie. So for me, back in the days, it was Asem over Sarkodie. Yeah. For me, it was Asem over Sarkodie back in the days. Folks, it's a Friday morning, and of course, it's a free start in here on 93.3 FM. This is the best mid-morning. I tell you no lie. My name certainly remains Jenny Champion Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Kobina Costi. Call me Jabruz Mani. Call me Abranton Pod, the perfect gentleman. Big shouts to DJ Kobe K. Big shouts to Nanato Pahin and also Mr. Billy. DJ Shabo is under the weather this morning. But hey, we're still here from 9 to 12 p.m. Send me a text on 0594-841-044, 0594-841-044, SMS, and also WhatsApp as well. Join the live feed on Facebook. Kobina Costi on Facebook, and also Ahenkai 93.3 FM on Facebook as well. Send me a text. Whatever. I mean, you just want to tell me, just send them through. In the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gante 10, if you speak ever F1, if you speak Brekumi Poiteme, if you speak Awazayade, if you speak Frafralawone, Grushi Kwete, if you speak Nzamakode, if you speak Fanti, Patrol Montede, if you speak Swahili, Habari Yako, Bushia Form, Mobia Kwaba, 93.3 FM, Juma, and I was so good with you. You're from Kobina Costi, Branty Park, the perfect gentleman. The Juma with you, and I said Jumedina with you for the Juma. That's right, so we are on. So I mean, we've been playing you Crank Music for about 25 minutes or something. Yeah, you had music from Edem, music from Sarkodie, music from Tiny, music from Richie, music from myself, music from OG Black, music from who else? I mean, back in the days, the Crank Music was the issue. Everywhere, various secondary schools, entertainment. Shoo, my baby, I wanna know that you sexy, and you sexy, and you sexy. I wanna know that you sexy, that you sexy. Shoo. So Crank Music was the ish, and Asem was like the king. Yeah. And I must remember, back in the days, Asem was like the king of Crank Music. And I still don't get it why people still want to do this comparison. I still don't get it when people want to compare Sarkodie to Asem. We all know Sarkodie has been very consistent. Yeah, you can't take the fact away from him. He's the landlord. And challenge me when it comes to rap, it's still Asem over Sarkodie. What a Sang fans day. Hey, the Sang natives. Sam Rebebe Nazel Kovna Jada channel. See, me, I'm a Sang fan. Yeah, you know that, yeah? I'm a Sang fan. But what I'm saying is that when it comes to rap, like back in the days, when the rap was the age, when Crank Music was the age, when everyone was listening to rap music, it was ASEM, baby. Alright, so a quick shout going out to Brad David, to Apasco Rauf, MP3, to Staga, Obama Ricardo Tanko, Obatampa Jonathan, Kumoji, come on Tilapia, Kubonash, and also to Amos, Mapia, Piero, Brakwami, to Momu bedem. Why? Did you go near there? You see, I've said my catcher was a true. But anyways, big shouts and come on. Mr. Orban and Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion, and also to Abigail or Topizi. And I'm also Ching Krumani at the Anajas and Eben Gunin Kruman up top was because on the idea was here. That's right. Hey, my baby. Aye. That's right. Hey, so I'm in fact, I'm in energy. This morning I saw Calabi Slot posted something on Facebook. He says, so apart from Friday, which other day happens to be your favorite day? Bro, why are you saying apart from Friday? It is still Friday now. Anyway, big shouts to our California and new back up and better man quine. I watch my sonny and our face Salum the Gambia, Gladys and Pabin. When I watch my sonny, SDA Junction and Brown Michael. We are cupping tower SDA Junction. And our face Mahana. Upamadio SDA Junction / Gobe Joint. Gobe. Exclusive beauty saloon. And come and rejoice if you are being parties golden scissors as that beauty saloon. And also big shouts, Kasiapa. And call Informa. Genesis Fashion. Call old education, quality fashion. Because yesterday I went there and you were clear and loud at quality fashion. You answer now about reggae, right? Yeah. So I went to quality fashion and you were in tune like large pan, more beautiful pan. Quality fashion. I come on my master now for girls. Guess I'm called Tom Warner. This guy here, I forgot it. Kwame Taylor. Kwame Taylor. Now so hobby. The big shots and come on. Halfway and come on. Plasma the Taylor. I watch my son. Priscilla, walk on first stop. Priscilla Mefro. Watch me. I'll call you, yeah. And a quick shots and come on. Government Hospital. Madam Pats, Madam Vera, Madam Maggie, and also Nanajua Government Hospital for United Chamunino Pay. And a big shouts to Edna, my own Edna of Ghana Commercial Bank. Good morning, Jaji, or Kameni Junction, Charities Fashion, Kameni Junction, Drumtown Sports, Kameni Junction as well. Send your text on 0594-841-044. And of course, it's a Friday. I'll bring you a daily dose of motivations. It's a Friday, and I'm jumped up. So, hey, before I forget this, fans of Sarkodie. I hope you guys are expecting the release of Sell It Up featuring Bob Marley today. Song will be released today exactly 3 p.m. I wish I am but anyway, watch now showbiz. Don't worry. So how I wish I still have my phone. That's why I trust my Telegram people. I'm watching that guy. I don't know why crowd watching that crowd. Baby, that's right. So, and there's this thing on social media as well. Since it's a Friday, let's do this. So there's this thing on social media, and people are saying Bob Marley is never bigger than Jay-Z. People are saying Bob Marley is never bigger than Jay-Z. And there's this thing I've observed. Those people say that all have one DP. And I hope you know what I'm talking about. Almost everyone on social media will be our concept Bob Marley is never bigger than Jay-Z. I mean, they all have one DP. Go and check it out for yourself. I don't pay me pen to I don't want to say anything. So I actually don't want to say anything here. But listen. This is my own observation. If you go on social media, especially on Facebook, yeah, one more can say Bob Marley is never bigger than Jay-Z. They all have one DP. One DP. There's a particular DP. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, there's a particular DP. Hey, say pow. of an agenda, yeah, people don't want to accept the fact. Listen. I've told you, I'm a Sarkodie fan. But I don't trust it. I mean, I should sit on radio and be like, yo, like you trying to sweep the father under the carpet. See, a fact, Bob Marley is bigger than Jay-Z. Bob Marley is bigger than Jay-Z. Even if he's dead, yeah, he's still bigger than Jay-Z. What are you talking about? There was this kid of 5 years singing Bob Marley song. But let me tell you, a kid of 5 years, Obi Ohonum Kra Onim Jay-Z, me bwana. So what are you telling us, Bob Marley? See, because of an agenda. And yesterday I also heard someone saying, see, I think this thing is very unhealthy. Sarkodie featuring Bob Marley is a waste of time, but Shatta Wale featuring Beyonce, I mean, it's a ish. Yeah, you know, I mean that was a big collabo. I mean, happened in the history of Ghana music. Beyonce Shatta Wale was the biggest ish, you know what I'm saying? But today, Kobe, you say you have the song, eh? Yeah. Okay, so Bob Marley, are you sure it's the song? Because the song will release trio. When you did that, Kobe K Wati. So this is why I kind of is still the best too. This is why in kind of is still the best. So the song will be released 3 p.m. But Kobe K has a song here. Ladies and gentlemen, when you heard it first, Bob Marley, Sarkodie, stir it up. Listen.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Shorty body mommy beeping the hammer Tiana my chat on the straight to Bahamas. If you honeymoon about my yard that we wanna just Call the mommy made the man what him so say me Hannah made the dana match me woman the come and made him as a family who you want up. Obama mama for Sunday me they call them and be my lamb. Or show me know who say be heat if I was who did the dynamic. Okay, let me have a little bit. I ain't never getting rid of it. Said I boy, yeah, mama don't got me feeling it. Maybe just come quick. And take me to places and show me how you fell in love with me. All this love ain't got me going crazy, but I'm asking you, how can we? Girl, I didn't believe in all of the love that you have for me. Brand new pop champagne, papi, me, and sipping with balcony. Coming to stir it up, reminiscing how we fell in love. Back and forth for the mommy and I made them, I will give and take, and it's fair enough. All I wanna have tonight is your love. Wanna wake up next to you in the morning. I can read it in the eye that you want me. I wanna just.
Right, so here is the song, and that is why I mean, okay. So this is why I kind of is still the best. I mean, trust me. I don't want to Sarkodie in the team, plus Bob Marley in the team. Ebe release and you with a video, and then 3 p.m. But we have the song already. Charlie, give it up to Kobe K. The whole Achimota, what say what half first? Hey, say Achimota. The whole is still region, man, because. Some made money there. I don't think any radio station from the Eastern ever knew on their morning show. I don't think so. So the whole Eastern region, I can't tell that of Accra, because Accra, they have a lot of entertainment morning shows. Yes, so Eastern region there, it's all about political morning shows and all. But mid morning, you heard it first. The whole of Eastern region, Charlie bragging rights and also. So the song will be released 3 p.m. Stay tuned. But what will happen first? So there's this thing Komike was telling me, say Obi Awuwu is still popular than Obi Otiase. Punchline. So see, I want to be honest here. Maybe I can't agree. So what Mali was saying, stand it up. So this is what he was saying, and all this while I thought he was saying serious. All this was see the original song. Me, I'm saying man true to me can't agree. The original song. All this one, me I thought he was saying serious. Bobby and I'm here. Oh, what's it? I thought he was saying serious. 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 Hey, you told me wrong about. Anyway, big shouts to Sarkodie though. Since you know, I say, when Sarkodie, I think this thing he said it 2 years ago when he says he was going to feature an artist who is bigger than Jay-Z. Yeah. It was 2 years ago. Yeah. Okay. Since you know, who will also feature an artist who is bigger than Bob Marley. No. Oh, I mean, okay. So there's this thing, Bob Marley and Michael Jackson. Who is bigger? Marley. Are you sure? Bob Marley, Michael Jackson. Okay, it's Yasha will be on square feature Michael Jackson. I don't know. I think Bob Marley's page is very active. Oh. Yes, ni team no amu ye adwuma pa. And it is because Nemana are still active in music. Yeah. Yes, Naila Mari, Demi Mali, Steve Mali. Those guys, I mean, they are very active in music. You know. Hey, like I nearly said, Naila Mari. So I don't know if in Nigeria or not, but related to Bob Marley, baby. Ben Marley, Steve Marley. I think there's one called Static or something. Yes. We are calling a daily dose of motivations. But the war, but anyways, what want no want it. Wow, things so that what preparators are. You call young crash ourselves. It's a Friday, so what else do you special? It's a freestyle thing, and I mean, we're making sure your day, I mean, is perfectly spent and all. What you say? So, let's do this from here, and also, young crash ourselves, so 93.3 of five. What him say? Young Connie say, your life is a result of the choices you make. If you don't like your life, it is time to start making better choices. Your life is a result of the choices you make. If you don't like your life, it is time to start making better choices. So I know me busa if yam pofo say how do we say choices in Twi? Ono say ahede ana say apede. Enti abrabona o bossisi ano. Sani awo wahyehyɛ wabrabɔ no ɛno ɛna ɛkyerɛ nipa ban a wopɛ sɛ woyɛ. Sani awo wahyehyɛ abrabɔ no sani a wɔtoto wanamɔ sani a wopɛ sɛ wo live abrabɔ no sani I mean how you want to live your life is the choice you make, right? It no ohwɛ na sa abrabɔ na wo bɔ sisi ano woni ngye ho abrabɔ na bɔ sisi ano ɛnkɔ sani a wopɛ sɛ ɛkɔ a it is time you sit back and choose your choice right. What I say, start making better choices. Start making better choices. When you say, "Nia, why no Shishian, the choice you made earlier, and for sobia embryo, and for income and for revenue be embryo." So it is time you sit back and start, making better choices. What I say, it is the life. Your life is a result of the choices you make. Your life. Abrabona obono anasa wa brabono a choice bia ana ahyede bia wa hye wo ho emiri bi atwemu. You chose to be who you are today. You chose to be a service personnel. you chose to be a government worker. I mean, you chose to be a teacher, you chose to be a doctor, you chose to be whoever you are today. But then, what can I say now? Who say, what brabono, and I say, whatever you are doing, we need you to see, and I say, and send your pay qua. It is time you sit yourself down and start making better choices. So, what catcher will say, okay, so, open so you're nursing. But then, what be nursing? All right. What shall send a normal corner that they say, no, Ghana Hana nursing. I think, if I relocate, be free Ghana ko UK ko nurse. I mean, on your facilities here, it is your choice. You get it. So, it is time you sit down and you make better choices. Obi susu ti kromanum say, I mean, Obeka Chedon say, there's no need for me to travel outside Ghana. I can still make it here. I can still, make a good life here in Ghana. Take care of my family, take care of my mom, my dad, my wife, my kids, and everything. Obi Obeka say, see, it is all about choices. Life, it's about choices. It's one who say, what away. It is not going as expected. So what else do you do now? You sit and you make better choice for yourself. So whatever you are going through in life, your choice I will make it some years ago. And no, I won't fast so. And now you're there. Me who be a sorry. What you are a bro? Na or expect to say Bosumi be a chino. Ebon bedane mango na watete akudwoma koton who decided say ubedwe ebru because ebru na ohia enti wudwe ebru wie now the call market hu say enkoye no next season you make a better choice. Say okay, this season then I ever sell it our markets. I mean tonwe. So life is all about choices. If you think your first choice or your initial choice, ankoya, you sit and make a better choice. Ufili say, uninyumu topa, but uniform ne so henya musician for uniform. Ufili so over regu on my regu. I mean, it's your choice. It's your choice. It's like a life, and it's your choice. What I say, abrabono, it's how you make it too. There's this thing I have very common. I have very common power Ghana. So the last time I was having a conversation with K4 and a friend of K4, and I can't say, Ohieni bad sorry, but I'm quoting him. Ohieni bad pan ye say enya asema any kwan say okoye program bia or university apart from education and nursing. Yes, that is what he was saying. So Ohieni bad pan ye oko unia enye program bia apart from education and nursing, because anya hwe we are ojuma da ho. That is his own perception. That is what he thinks. Yeah. Okay, fine. Obisu ye hieni senior okana. Nipa no twa political science. I mean, this is the choice. He wants to do political science and he wants to do economics. He wants to do human resource management or business admin, whatever. Before you realize, this person now feels so you hieni bano. I mean, he's cashing out big. Life is all about choices. It's in the man can say nipa ni hieni sebi ofri poor background in the chinchiranchia. I mean, fine. Nanka a very nice choice. As some kind of a very understandable Thomas Umdi say what shall o family background or shall sebi if he income sika sheda any one there anka unya ko uni there go and do BSc nursing educational program be a years go ojuma da hoda. But anyway, it will be on the choice brabo no mtibi sram so wo hwe na choice na wo make initially enkoye dia. It is better you sit yourself down and make better choices. Right, so this is our daily dose of motivations this morning. Yan kran sha sem ne yan kasa bebre yan ko break em bra. Good music. Ya ready say mo fili bi na dia ya basisi ya.
swear. Nyamia nim ni krani say bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitri Miami do. Mitri Miami do. Me wa fi wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend CB. Esan say, bia bia o kope as what fie. Bia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa ho do. And to krani Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Say who di birthday party. Oh worry. And ye na dey wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesi or baby green grass and what that diagro kama na nipuno eya kona bi international standard ujali ni na kona safa filter mu puno su ujali a say yes ujali ni pensio akona nkasa Preferland Hotel o wa dan ya udro bebre asa uju ani bra onia busan benya baby ada na so no kanjiman's go no problem bonus ye cool enya nunko so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum chetia so abri bia eninti achemu dan manso ene important phone na across from she ho Preferland Hotel bamamo nani masem de bia wo kwase de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se jolly Preferland Hotel ewa chimanso wudu ani atere achem dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
I love you.
Hey, Bema, now Bam Pebble, you and I'm here and now Shastra for a taddy.
Hey, Obama, I said, who cried you me? I used to could be obedient one dance at you, and then as a sammy by a robbery. So what you was in so here, tratro. Nasa Wuncha, Bomadi, Nacopiumo.
Hey, Nasuku Benquano.
A great Omega Academy.
Great Dien.
Great Omega Academy. Addition phone say, Yama Yang. Our natural quan walk, New Tafo, SDA School Junction, a Premantemu Heya.
Sir? A Premantem Heya. Number the bang.
Obabra Mrs. Sukui, a buyer, and see a woo. No teacher, some quadia, ultras are here, which are Omega courses need to say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science, and affair, technical. Baby, I obey super dear. A man in your dream, Sukunu hostel can see on more, dear Messiafu.
Unia, and if I make a honor, man.
Hera, G, penny quatra phone number, now friend Nejimunchimu, a 0243 21 4720, and 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a way a home buying every home. And no woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinty. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan se nkwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me disie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afiro. Na ade ba de na wo de ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA Binding snake repellent na me de atu o masesa no.
Anu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wo horo won sen Uhuana, I and one swan and the woman chassis when you not that.
And your way, media dance at Chalamansan. I ain't fan no more.
Japan, woman Yamano, Ubenya Biato Kumase, Takra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Boga, or Dan, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animal Share. Sawa Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya B, Awaka, Swa, Winiba Road, the Wankasana Factory, no SCA.
Mamma number, no, Namfan Koima, no nonsense from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medovo, now so Mudini body saying.
J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Jaja, me drew horses here. Abamu. Kwasi Edu Herbal Center. Afedie, ye be Herbal Clinic. Ewa kemoda, ye wo. Kwami no way wa. Anuti, ya die bia edawso. Say yes sisi yade. Say yes stroke. Say yes hypertension. Say yes diabetes. Say yes and yade. Typhoid. Ana we yade. Ana say ebia obema no. Awu kojoto. Ode ba. Ya bemo adro ne be pejan. Ana Saudi and say wuntimi mbadwuma. Ya science so ewa massage machines. Ewa ho. Ah ya de be massage wo. Ya wo machine eskane unipaduani na eyi unipaduani na to ho ema yehu se ha ena yade no ehye enti fa yade bra ya the nurses for any doctors akukuda ane yade aba clinic ho se si ade eye kwaku Edu Herbal Clinic se wa asebisa bi afre ye 0247 03 7564 ye wo Abrosina e wa kwa filling station echi won pay there be a Vodafone office for e wono sa Abrosina mu a na ye wo ya de bia odi besi hobia ye timi say te enobias
Hey, na den e koso amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. Wa pass ankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nye.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana kire. Abofra no de o sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro nso hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, am afra ne ya dachi o. Hey, BC so hwe omo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say won pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na the sia me ne we ka say no woman bia admission na wo mo chi mmofra no. Form 1, form 2. Konya da ho no mo se sia me ka say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age omo ye de say.
Ye kan kire. Ye say body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe apa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Ko bia school be ma chachire for me for so mmofra na pass ne de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne board and form boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko yisa abofra ne be wie school. E school ya bia ne platform ma watch admission. School fees ne crowd ye e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne say wo de wani be kire mu. E wo only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim ko krantu. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah, yeah,
Hey, banjo. Why go? Massa, St. Andrews has a bubu wayek machine biomo. Have you heard yet? A buta
7 A's, 6 A's, and 5 A's no abruso.
Enti say, so better forms I was St. Andrews SHS. The results ni be na chance.
Afiwe, ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain, emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university.
Wow, wait ye a bro adwin and entias yeso.
And on to so school be a ko felipoto.
E mane how cra.
For any St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews Ebia Kwenya Amo Form 3.
Enti ma onye ha never file forms. Natural wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe.
Enti masa Kwenya we mpa ho fise me ho yanka na ka echi.
Enti fresisia na jo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the lead.
Ejamomien kana winners a make a difference, Papa.
Now they are fan one.
There be winners dear. See any momo dada. Nemum say dear one more to munchine kra. Oba or Joe Form 3 straight. Form 1 ne Form 2 so Aquanya Edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no. A compulsory.
So person was May June and none of that. The right place. A winners senior high school.
Wayek amomo exam center number. And when you transfer was suku muhwa a teacher for a kuku damankasa and a extra wadie and unti ubetwa no one time courses away no ebi any general arts, pure science, business, home economics and afi agric science.
Winners senior high school ego admission so say sia ma honya ha never admission e ma oban
basic afanenso our winners divine academia waje nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 our boarding edema nkwala mu nyina ubehunu winners school complex Ewon Koko Sidom restaurants ne opposite Paso Nakosi school mu ho Frepani kwanche for the school no ano Ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788 Winners School Complex raising the standard of excellence.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I'm ready to play, you can't take. I'm coming to score for your country. Where you go scream, mama, I love my easy access tonight. As I got you, girl, for the corner. You like Papa Tele, I yell my
too much sauce. Girl, your body ketchup, too much sauce. Even if your matter hard like science course. A celebration by mass, I go try force. Hey, I go try force. Last crowd, baby, say me same one. High tension. Y'all know back at the cake, this a kewa. Body so creamy, it drew my attention.
Feeling woman, now we just getting that. I'm a flower, Jimmy Bieber.
I'm sipping on the lean. Say my ID. I said you flawless and so so cash. Yeah, pursue my ancestor. Last night I'm gonna do my name press. I'm gonna spread. My shit is sad. Have that. Make tea. Jimmy. She say you love me. I'm coming. Say me. So everything you do just as I'm so.
Champagne for my place. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I dare you my lane. Every day be my birthday. It be we did it. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we high. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we high. Everybody body like a panda. The way she move it make a panda. Break it down, make it wiggle like a panda. I want to know what you make me in the corner. Bouncy, 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 baby. Bouncy, bouncy, ma. Bouncy, 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 baby. Bouncy, bouncy, ma. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend.
Finally, I see your face. Looking for you for days. Ooh, I just want to say, my head, you take for my head. I know fit to
waiting there. Your back, say make a defend. I know fit to defend, even if I play defense. Yeah. I won't comport myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat, yo. Go, go. I will not know you bad. I swear you bad. I swear you bad. Don't calculate my money, make I know how much I could spend, cause I know they pretend. Make nobody talk to me, cause I like my baby not the best, yo. Hey, Tumba, last time I see you for sure, baby. Girl, I'm on board, oh. Ready me to go. Hey, Tumba, last time I see you for sure, baby. Girl, I'm on board, oh. Cause my head, it dey for princess. When I see this baby, make me go crazy. I won't comport myself.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Every day I dey street where I want to blow. Oh, mommy, me say my every day we pray for more life, oh. Yeah, me baby, cry for all I cash out, oh. Please, oh, yeah, and mommy. Sha, mami, please, oh, yamie, mami,
Killer, Father, please pay me. My age, my P50 KD. Yellow fast and I yellow bumpy. I can wash at the TM when I can aim me. Street in the come near the yellow car jogging. 247, the system ain't working. My sick business, he cannot stop a nonsense. Me ready, oh yeah.
Silly. Ele baba, in the tongues I go pray harder. I go love to sing those anana. Yeah, ele baba, in the tongues I go pray harder. Love to sing those anana. Every day we pray for more life, oh. Yeah, me baby, cry for all I cash out, oh. Please, oh yeah, me, please, oh yeah,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go go collect. Oh wale, oh one body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for Benzema? Why you want a dollar? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing this singing, you doing the dance. Why you wanna do me something? Shut up and I'll show you. Why you do me something? Why you do me something? Shut up and I'll show you. Why you do me something? Oh collect, oh wallet, oh one neck. Body too correct. Oh no, very man don't forget. Money go oh collect, oh wallet, oh one neck. Body too correct. Say she love me, they all love it. Sensima, why they for Benzema? Why you want a dollar? Sensima, this kind dance, you the dance. I'm doing this singing, you doing the.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so 93.3 FM. 27 minutes after 11, it's a Friday, and of course, I hope you enjoy all the good music played by my man DJ Corby K. And of course, we're still here, 93.3 FM. Right, so there's one story, I think every senior high school in Ghana has that story. One story, but up to now I'm still wondering why it was circulating in almost every senior high school, especially those of us that were, we were in the boarding house. Yes, Madam Moku, we guys have story now. Madam Moku. That story, I mean, say school be an old me wa. Now, when did the sound from the crab? Madam Moku never school be able. And I scare a lot of us. Me personally, I don't think me believe it's awesome. But then, one way or the other, I was scared though, but I mean, Genie, but I was scared. Charlie, you go wash where you hear. But don't say Madam Mo come around. Charlie, over Joffy, over Johnny. School be another Madam Mo. Is this a story? Oh, I was here, Paul Bia. Or name story ni pan or fan movie ni because up to now, me a shows that still na a skank of our schools. And I over here say, oh, Madam Moka for top war. Was a boy see the speed. Yes, for one day, yes, Madam Moka, but shall be keeping. Ah, the young boy. And drunk one. Some Madam Moka story in here. But anyways, people did it. People saw Jenny. Yeah, news rose. Me kind trouble pa. Me fix this teacher charming. So one day me and my boys, tied to one idea. You know, how much in here see go see idea? Was here now school park and this whole baby. One day me one man F upon Mr. Paddy was a visa. Over class no appointed bra. So appointed and I mean we were like 4. Appointed. And not the call the office. I don't say I before the school man didn't cry. I'm I before the school man didn't cry, but Jan say, yeah, ni pa 4 no, yeah, like 4 boys in who he pa. Because school park and whom no honor a market or honor a jum like Omudiga or Eti brank of father na ye preps I uncle how much in ye see because you no. Sata on the nam park and also I nam market like it uncle for the so. It's in confasha by get there body in toast Mukoni idea or park and so. Na ye it so. Na nipa no when he pa me. Because me tie for me want to toast me tie pachapa toast no. Papa and draw. So why you said that my guys were very scared. They were scared about me. I wasn't scared. But I knew this man was lying. You know why? Because I think now your mass school securities no excuses as to how I am corporates, but I mean we person is doing how much. So we were giving excuses to the school securities. And this man, we caught him one day. Doing something. So like something. So we actually caught him doing something. And ope kwa bi so na ope pad na free tribute no. O si chese me kra de me ho ya be fo na hia ma. Baby am hye ntos no ho na me nam. Chese nkofo ntos no me na me peche ntos na ade anti no mama me no tontos no obaka. How can you tell me this story? Me. Na me so ma die di oboa. Maybe be anyone I'm in school. I just mean I'm saying me. I just many a day and as I say Miss but there are certain stories like any clear. What I say in some one my catch them and sound well in my ears. But that Madam Mook story there, Charlie, it got me pa. Because what is say sometimes better sound we go baby. Some unusual sound we. Obe attribute this sound to Madam Mook. But the Madam Mook they count. That was some people be offer. Right, so a big shout to Rich One Akosi Dancer. So he's my big brother. He's my promoter. He's my hyper. And as you see, hello, what's up me in-law ever one corner me. Come down, what's it? Me mammy, I will me punk away in the house. Me, the baby man over can. And send me a muscle by TV as a man over can. But then read me my soti as me, mammy can't run me home to me. Because yesterday, you see, I left the office around 9:30 and you made home. So when I was going home, you can't move on. Who say, so crowd only be a music. Who's the Mox Be or it's a careful more fear green beans or yeah, it's a soon crab beans or. So when I was going, I met 2 ladies, meaning Bako. Now I'm here 2. Now Bako a call. Like Bako a call near there. So that meaning no, we shook hands and we spoke for a while. And I mean, it'll be a call, baby. So I was 3 seconds away from them, and I heard the one. They now know what phones no. I heard her saying, not from the last speaker. So obviously I heard the voice, not in the man kaza. And he was telling the guys, "Friend of mine, did you? Hey, sister, 9:30, you remember my appointment with coffee, you know? Or catch a boy and say, friend of mine, did you?" So I wanted to turn and we get sister day. A day, friend of pa. What the fantasy be a sabi, oh, the oya quadro for the on solid them, or the oda, or solid 12 area. And from 12 out to you 9:30. Only the young can we a dang. Send them a 10 in home. Oh, who's having us on America? And I'm by to say, oh, sir, he ain't have anything. Okay, what there? My mom to be real. I was like, Kai, one man has fallen. Oh, no, I mean, how can you tell me this story? Since morning, minimum time I was sorry for him pass there. But at the time I knew it was 9:30 and you marry. And what? I mean, she was telling someone she hasn't eaten since morning. How can you tell me this story? Oh, there be. Just a man be or no man, ya man, a man be how you want to ask you. Just said, there be a mini and say a national anthem was said, mini dear. Me, if I call you and you tell me you haven't eaten, I'll tell you go and find something to eat. Compare me with the yes, I will. It's even your day. Me too, I haven't eaten. Me crab would have eaten since 3 days now. Me accommodate them crab 3 days with the mini. Emma. Okay, until Sunday, me probably did pay. Me probably since morning on the day. Me probably friend up on the day. Now me did pay Sunday. Until you are back, you tell on the day. Test 0594841044. 0594841044. And your number don't call your studio number. Me point me call or my number. Until that test whilst I'm here. You think I'll put my number so you call me and be like 18 years in the day. Oh, Mwakra. I actually want to pick someone out this Sunday through Briefland Hotel. Briefland Hotel. A part of Sunday in person will be called Briefland Hotel. Briefland Hotel Sunday be a mutual special course. And now for instance, pool party. A course from an apart to a numere. A course from an apart to a numere. And to Yanko Briefland Hotel. Now Yanko G any this Sunday. Quality music 24/7. Your born your mama who feels sampa. Your born your every person who still how will be a well ventilated rooms are secure and also spacious car park. Wait up a car no no stretch near there will be a family structure home there we or you come upon. After also share gathering be our person you will be a patrol call na ko home for e be a year birthday I fro engagement. The person you honum biano almost spacious place hustle pan to wait me akoye event na wo or watch manzo presby school na chi hope for 0551 187926 and 0507640302 Briefland Hotel, quality home away from home. Classic ointments. Classic ointments, a pure herbal center for Kufurudia, product, classic ointments, or a aloe vera, our east side. Omoda kama pint in the smell no, a nice pan for all manner of age. If you be able to be able to use classic ointment, a patch of obia, pompo abono, or the classic F-Faswa, pompono, a better cream, come up na on what I feel so dandruff, candidiasis, say, or bar. Candidiasis also we use classic ointment February 2 I said amount foot rods 90 pro pimples nina classic ointment ebe 2 I said amount after so kaka atosebe obi mbore so classic ointment ebe timi 2 I said amount come up me patcho obi timi so use as inkun as a pomade inkun a udari na we asra makacho say ekuta nice smell scent bia ndi echi entin so udari a obi timi asra obi timi use as unkun na odi asra ope bia to wachi modern hanama obeko amwafo drugstore mochiniba drugstore Kennedy drugstore EK Assuming drugstore wachim odan haya obenya bi afa kamapa me pacho friend 0544 791600 and 0500 799433 classic ointment pebi first say unnatural mineral water. Ya bubonsu feelings you papa. Aye an. Kaze an o an. Unnatural mineral water no. May purified every in sachets here, and of course, they be able to hire 100 the amount. Enyan Quebec Josenye, a yentin about who they wrote them out. What am I saying? You I had ever going here when you put us in Ibia Brabo. Yeah, Wukos Quebec said the body contains about 70% water, right? And it's a only so, and I say you so ni pedunima. So by Japan now, but the Musua not one Musua in an Indrua Hodo Ashemuma. Unnatural mineral water, say potassium womb, calcium womb, magnesium womb. In fact, nutrients are Hodo Bibrina, our unnatural mineral water. And the so we engagements, we are from our party executive meeting, yeah, compare unnatural mineral water. Now for service here. Ope bebere to akoton one now pencheche mu achimi de ya obekọ Ghana Commercial Bank car park ni opposite o obewu some shop no e wo ho na for 0249680213 na 0500231091 and natural mineral water natural adansi fu ewo kroma so frema na mbomba so adansi fu ewo kroma contractors ahodo I'm from Sikobana, we a guy, Miss Miami away. Be away, pa. Nina. Because Jam Trading Enterprise. I am known as Mr. Mensa, and I said Chairman Mensa. Me pacho se ope cement ato. U project na we no, e dan na usi no. Ope cement ato dia. Nasa ope cement cement. Anasa ope diamond cement. Gasem cement. Open nadwa all inches. Inches ahodo nyina. Otoibia iron rods 16mm to quarter rods. POP ope plasterboard papa pan the actual can off no and no ena ya papa so yan trust can off for myself my boka enya papa kra ope fiber ope center panels ope corner moldings one angles ope ya plywood vine wires ope paint abo chede ni bi home champ say a big size small size nina obenye bi ato ewo ye Chairman Mensa chain e pato Chairman Mensa e wa chimodan Akamenin Junction, our name Yaji and Edi Insheni. Jam Trading Enterprise, aka Mr. Mensa, and I said Chairman Mensa. A crowman mode, so Ube sit down and I saw Padensi Hunyoma, Nasa one quan in China. Mr. What to Sikegu, Papa, Mr. Mensa Wabotra. Obenya Botra Treacher Muse, who products na, and I said sorry, who project now way you know. Way, and a wow. Me patronya so pesi KDNT, Obaya now I do see car just a woman be a canadico. Onya Botra catcher say this particular project there, so who you see way a wow. The way cover wow, when so no boni, when so ya Tony say, Onya Botra church and no man come upon the mount. And you will see Kentia. Now, what cow will carry a just say what people be dignity for there be. Mr. Mensa Yejmanache or Yejmaway or Yacha papa. And so when you dear and I feel or Abotre, as I would do a come apart when the customer said they didn't come on. Now, there were cry, a man that's from couldn't say, what's it? Say be our cement by $100. Now, so we see council be a 70 and 80. What's it, bra? Then in Nazi. I'm in Din come on. Na sikane ground odi onje no maubi now ve now we train the channel kranka we are trusted person kwandi a winning problem Frere Chairman Mensa was 0208-123-872 na 0244-566-880 0208-123-872 na 0244-566-880 obekona maame boho ajeze maybe a course come up. Only Believe Senior High School. Only Believe Senior High School. If I draw semen country and I mean, Bus House, there will be a watch was you know, watch wabre. Watch one of the sounds wabre. Only Believe Senior High School there. Brana Betro woman chain. I'm more sure 98% passing rates. And to watch check it. So your home economics students, general science students, general agriculture students, general arts students, afraid so we are visual art students, business students, and as a technical student. If I was a bra, nah, but it's not sure what's in the bio. Yeah, admit students, our Form 1 and our friends of Form 2. You watch him kokron to me. Eastern region here, Ben Koforidja. Only believe senior high school say, bra. Nah, but sure, yeah, what's in the bio? Come upon. But sure, we chat. Now for Kojuni. Obetimi Afre administrators. It was 024 020 2148 024 020 2148 now 0247 670736 0240 202 148 now 0247 670736 only believe senior high school also about 1 Ube chapapa and to say what one of deck what your ah what's it brana baby uncle come here from alright so 93.3 FM I mean kind messages kakra. How do I pronounce this name? Dubliwale. Dubli. Okay. So Dubliwale JGD Top Shatter. Hey, this is the DP I was talking about. Here's it. Alright, so he sent in 3 fire emojis. Malik MI says, can suck with some fire emojis. Kumikasa, a presenter from Koforidja. Sweet FM says, Asem made crank music popular. And of course, I agree to that. It was Asem that made crank popular. Nelson Gate says, good morning, my boss. Watching you live from Ebri. Alright, so for the 8th after 11 93.3 FM. So me who video be was social media. Na ye our refo. Na I phone you course na bro mo kan wa us ni ye de kawa na sha de no. Ehye nsa no. Na guy ni nsu. Me who our area course why shake kawana be man isu. You see most of the times I am man ni isu me boa. A man na isu. But the na guy ni isu as if Uncle Fanny Ileji. Hey, the other guy was crying as if say 2 years into the marriage this guy won't cheat. Oh boy, he would cheat. The other guy was crying. I was like, hey, like seriously, hey. But my Musa question is, if marriage vows, say may I die the day I cheat? Like still now you go marry? Could be like you go marry. Once you body na soften the car no can. Like sorry, what is this? So like you repeat after. Mama already I know you know what I'm talking about. So for the kind of can. You are not about to better for worse parts no. It is a kamu we hono. Na kai so for na ye the honor shame. Say may I die the day I cheat. Please like you go marry or you don't go marry. Right, so Prof says keep up the good work. Malik comes again to say good morning, Governor Costin, listening to you live from Accra. Okay. I say me fuck calls too. I mean who go for doing. was some funk of conform you padre and I'm shady. Papacho, my son, me busan say, say a warrior, you can't send me, you never come, so woman, quamo, near Cansadina. Me busa say, and I can't say, and damn a foul chinu, mew, say the shame be. Maybe nobody me Simon Kumoji. Me Tanko Kumoji. A damn a foul if ya yebua echino. Mew. Say the shema me patrol. Kabawale and our wallet. Nay a body. Me come up watching. A damn a fa so and so echino. Mew. Now what about us can me ya watching a damn miss me fa so is to miss me me patro ka wale na wale me funny pot tupe frame me say ya na me hwe sen ka wale na wale 055 4820910 0554 8209110 I me hwe wadwin say anka Obe wale ana se nka won wale eda ye be yesade no say me kobna okay see say Vodafone number for fraba oh so there's this new Vodafone number 020 020726 hello hey sorry hello good morning about your first work as a free
Basha me boy yanki because every action.
Oboy yanki achaze phone yan ho ye ho.
O nyame adom ja obi an ho ye.
E de nyame ase. Oboy yanki cost na ni o se ke e da hyem se e da me oboy yanki mefa wo wachinu miu. Oboy yanki ka ba wala na wale.
Achama wa o ja. Me de me ni ntu da o.
Ti ka wale ho.
O de video do e o de. Maka na oto we de ada ma tso ga klasa ya.
Aso adaroma. Aso adaroma. Kwa kagrasa. 0554820910 0554820910 0554820910 Kobe Edichum says great job watching live from Tema. Veronica Dede. Wow, Veronica Dede. Long time. I say good morning, Governor Costi. Hope you are doing well. Wishing you a great weekend. You too. Veronica Dede. All the way from UK. All right. So Veronica Dede. Big shouts in come out. Now I'm for last call, no. I'm see me for 2. Okay. Bebacho eda obefa yilechi. Another befa ukwenchi ye de kan ho a where na say won are. First ka say free. Obinya kom patro my voice ma so kakra mami. Say ye de kan ho. Asanteman on. Okay, Kofinya kon me busa o say ye de kan ho say eda me Kofinya kon me fa wo wachi no miwu obewale na wale kan gre.
Oh, me wale.
Adedi.
Eh, ka dia wa ja kwa dia me ra me no bob ready na me wa.
Oso ya na ya dey.
O ja me ni bob ready na ja wa so e dia.
Mintini ye, but mintini o say obi o ni bob ready. What is it? O come on see. But there's this question of who's answer, why do men cheat? I beg me, I'm not a man, I can't answer. I'm a woman. Your brother is a free. Free sites.
Missing for a friend.
Okay, my sites are here for purpose.
You are down.
Okay, it's a models now home. Okay, it's a motor question on Tiada. Me kwaku, me fa wo afie chini mi wu kwaku kan kre. Wo wala na wale.
Go ni mo say atemu ya be ma asofo no kra bebrebe ja wale.
Wo da say me so fofo.
Bebrebe ja wale because sofo no wale wi so ya de na yi.
Kwaku asofo ni bi ntisa o.
Bebre.
Yeah so.
Ya yi ni bebre.
Wan bi na be o ma me buso on so. De oben on.
Hello.
Yes, boss. You're frozen.
You're from Kwame.
Kwame.
Yeah.
Unka be wale na wale.
But the Nkabaka test of on train sign.
That is some my some wala from ile eji nyeza.
Oh, I don't know what it's yeah, meeting for you to kind yeah. Yeah, you could give a for her or bad or the
Hey, uyi mutu. Uyi mu secret.
We are no credit
ever go. Matse benasi. Benasi. Before you. Ye jaya ho asane mema. Ade na man frɛ. Ade na man frɛ. Ma min dey ma na mhwa de. Mhwe so yo ba. Your friend so ka say friend. Hello? Hello? Okasa wo phone pan. Hello? Me pesa oba frɛ. Oba mfrɛ. Me pe oba baako. Na ma hwe so oba baako pe beti megire mu nya de ama nyina ye ha de. Your friend so ka say friend.
Hello.
Yes, dear. Your friend so ka say friend.
Mary, me face Amakro.
Mary, Amakro. Mama Crow for what to say?
Omunyana ho ye.
Nana wo.
Nana wo pa.
Chela na mama me ba Amakro ma chu. I think say 2 years news say me ba ho ache pa. Me ba ho na sin. Why? Mary, wo gina e man nyina anim titru na mo Amakro. It is say ka say me Mary. Ada ma fa wa chi ni mi wu a. Be wale na wale.
Mama wale no me wu.
O valeu. Hey, Mary I say baby ah. Ose. Hey, ose me wale ni me wu. Eh. David. Eki atina na muza ase. Eki a. Ohoye.
Nyame adome.
See you. Boss. Mebuza unzu okay mu yenu nyaba me di kan busa Eki a first. Say ebia obeware. Like on say you can't vows near there for better for worse blah 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 blah. Na ye da shame say. Eda me Eki a January me fa wo chi no miwu ka be wala na wale
oh me wale
wale see you
champion why not
wale
I na wale
na we
e da be fa na chi no da be fa na chi no ubewu obi last call no phrase ya sin kono obe wale ni wewu
o se obe wale ni wewu
obe wale ewu
na so obe wale obe wale ni wewu
ai
ha
Hi. And that make of that